handler fired that we saw earlier. So this is what drives that dynamic behavior. So if I have a data grid, or I've got a UI table view source in iOS, or a list adapter in Android, this is a great opportunity for me to update that data source so that my application's user interface can redraw and represent those modified changes. And we actually provide example implementations of a generic UI table view source that will run off of a live query, excuse me, or as well as a generalized list adapter that will do the same in Android. And so it's very powerful. Once we create this live query, we can avoid all the cruft of having to deal with building those required objects, and that lets us get up and coding and running in our application with a data source in a very short amount of time. You know, in just a few minutes, we can have a live database where we're shoving in records, and we don't even have to worry about handling a lot of these lifecycle events for the UI that we're customarily spending a lot of time on dealing with. So finally, we're getting to the last key area, which is the replication capabilities. Creating replications couldn't be any easier. All we need to do is provide a sync gateway URL to both the sync gateway server as well as the name of the database that we've configured on that sync gateway. So a single sync gateway instance